Hello everyone. Today we're exploring some fascinating Korean expressions from Squid Game 2. You'll hear unique phrases like
전세사기, 먹고 죽은 귀신이 때깔도 곱다. 호래비 사정 과부가 안다. 죽고자 하면 살 것이고 살고자 하면 죽을 것이다. 묵은지, 얼음.
These expressions are deeply tied to Korean culture, and they're nearly impossible to translate directly into English. That's why understanding them helps you gain new insights into the language and enjoy the show even more. After watching this video, be sure to check out the recommended videos featuring the actual dialogue scenes. So let's explore these 6 unique expressions together. First up,
전세사기.
it refers to when landlords trick tenants and take their large deposits. The term combines
전세,
a unique deposit-based lease system with
사기,
meaning fraud. To explain further, deposits can amount to hundreds of thousands of dollars, and contracts typically last for 2 years. Between 2020 and 2022, large-scale
전세사기,
affected many young Koreans in their 20s and 30s, leaving them homeless and burdened with debt. The show reflects this social issue, highlighting the challenges of Korea's modern housing system. Next,
먹고 죽은 귀신이 때깔도 곱다.
this humorous expression translates to, even a ghost who dies after eating would have a good complexion. It emphasizes the importance of eating well, no matter what. Let's break it down step by step.
먹고,
Means after eating, coming from the verb
먹다,
to eat, with a connective ending.
고. 죽은,
Means someone who has died, derived from the verb
죽다,
to die, and the ending
은.
which shows the state of being dead.
귀신이,
Means a ghost with
이.
marking it as the subject.
때깔도,
Combines
때깔,
complexion and
도,
meaning even or also. Finally,
곱다,
means beautiful with
다.
as the ending. Together, it conveys that even a ghost looks beautiful after eating well. Now, let's talk about
호래비 사정 과부가 안다.
this expression means a widower knows the widow's struggles. It's about truly understanding someone else's hardships. Here's the breakdown.
호래비,
Refers to a widower describing a man who has lost his wife.
사정,
Means circumstances or situation.
과부,
Refers to a widow describing a woman who has lost her husband with
가,
marking it as the subject.
안다,
Is the declarative form of
알다.
meaning to know or understand. Next, let's dive into one of the most famous quotes from Admiral
이순신. 죽고자 하면 살 것이고 살고자 하면 죽을 것이다.
It translates to, those who seek life shall die, and those who seek death shall live. This powerful motto inspired his troops during battles and reflects his unwavering leadership. He is one of the most iconic figures in Korean history. His portrait is featured on the 101 coin, and his legacy is honored with a statue standing proudly in Gwanghwamun Square, a landmark in the heart of Seoul. Here's how it's formed.
죽고자,
Means intending to die, from the verb
죽다,
to die, and
고자,
which indicates intention.
하면,
Means if one does, formed with
하다,
to do,
면,
meaning if.
살 것이고,
Means will live, and combining
살다,
to live,
것,
a noun form, and
이고,
meaning and.
살고자,
Means intending to live, from
살다,
and
고자,
finally
죽을 것이다.
means will die. It is made up of
죽다,
to die,
을,
a future ending,
것,
a noun form, and
이다.
will be. Now,
묵은지,
means aged kimchi. It is rich in tangy flavors, making it perfect for dishes like kimchi stew. Let's break it down.
묵다,
Means to age.
은,
Is an ending that shows the state of being aged.
지,
Refers to kimchi itself. Finally,
얼음,
it means ice, but it's also the name of a traditional Korean children's game called
얼음땡,
which is similar to red light, green light. In this game, when someone shouts
얼음,
players must stop immediately. This fun and simple command brings back nostalgic memories for many Koreans. So far, we have covered all 6 expressions. If you want the materials I created, check out the description box below. Thanks for joining me today. See you soon.